Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are making a very delicious and yummy native rice, palm oil rice. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, help me to share this video, and don't forget to leave your comment for me in the comment section, okay? And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. To my OGs, my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to support your girl. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get down to the video.
Wẹ́rẹ́wẹ́rẹ́ ló bá mi ṣe ṣọmọ. Wẹ́rẹ́wẹ́rẹ́.
And to make this delicious native rice, you need your onions. Here is my onions. I've already washed and sliced the onions, okay? And here I have minced ginger and garlic. I like it. I like it a lot. So for my leaf, I'm using scent leaf. You can use any leaf, okay? Any leaf at your disposal, okay? Any vegetable at your disposal. So here I have my bawa, I have a little green pepper here, red scotch bonnet pepper. Here is my crayfish. I'm using lots of crayfish for this recipe. So for my protein, I have here my smoked fish, okay? You can use pomo, you can use beef, you can use any protein of your choice. And here is my rice. I'm using the Nigerian rice, okay? This is my Nigerian rice. I've already washed this rice. I don't parboil my rice. I just wash the rice until the water runs clear, okay? I don't parboil my rice. So guys, let's start making our native rice. In a dried pot, I'm going to be heating up my palm oil. This is native rice, you need palm oil, okay? You can add a little bit of the vegetable oil, but I did not add it. I'm just making use of just palm oil. And once this oil is hot, I'll be adding in my chopped onion. I will add in my minced ginger and garlic. I'm going to stir this now, and then I'll allow this to fry for about 3 minutes, okay? And then I will come back. Guys, this recipe is so yummy and it's so straightforward. This is a one pot meal. Like if you don't know what to cook, you can just make this, okay? You're going to love it. This is so delicious. Now that our onions have sauteed, I'll be adding in the pepper mix now. And then I'll be adding in my seasoning cube. I use the ordinary Maggi star. I will stir this now, and then I will cover the pot and allow this to fry. Guys, our pepper mix has fried now. If you have watched me up to now and you have not liked this video, please help me to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, this is the right time to like and subscribe. Also help me to share this video. So now I'm going to be adding in water, just enough to cook the rice. Okay, and then I will add in salt. I'm going to stir again, and then I will cover the pot and allow this water to come to a boil. So guys, our water is already boiling now. I'm going to add in my washed rice. I'll add in the blended crayfish. Guys, this is a one pot meal, a very stress-free recipe that is so delicious. Okay, I want you to try it out. You are going to love this recipe. You are going to enjoy it. So now I'm going to mix up everything together and I will test for salt. At this point, you can test for salt, okay? And if you feel that you need to adjust it, okay, just go ahead to adjust it. So I'm just going to stir and then I will cover this rice and I will allow this to cook on low heat because I don't want to add in any more water to this, okay? The seasoning, everything is perfect. I don't want to add in water and I'll start adjusting my seasoning, okay? Guys, you can see how yummy the rice is already looking like, but we are not done yet. Okay, at this point you can choose to eat it like this. Okay, look how delicious, look how yummy this rice is already looking like so delicious. So at this point I'm going to flip it up and then I'll mix it very well because the sauce is not well mixed with the rice. Okay, and then when I'm done mixing, I'll add in my smoked fish now and I will go in with my scent leaf. I'm going to cover the pot and I'll allow this to cook for about a minute or two. Okay, just 2 minutes, 2 minutes, so that the scent leaf can enter in very well into the rice. Okay, and 2 minutes later, this is what we have. I'm going to mix now to combine the leaf and the rice so that everything can marry each other very well. Guys, have you subscribed to this channel? Have you liked this video? If you have not subscribed, if you have not liked, please help me to like and subscribe. Don't forget to share my video, okay? And guys, our yummy and delicious palm oil rice is ready. This is so delicious, so yummy, guys. You are going to love it. Let me know in the comment section if you be trying out this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave your comments for me in the comment section, okay? And don't forget to share the video, okay? Guys, this is so delicious, so yummy, and it's just a one pot meal, okay? Stress-free recipe. I want you to try it out. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Hope to see you in my next video. Until then, please stay safe. Bye.
Even when I fall, your hand, you still there, hold my hand. Lover of my soul, you know they break my heart. I'll sing up.